In this legendary Doon Valley, where school education has always led the rest of India, we welcome you to join us on an enchanting journey through the sacrosanct portals of the Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun, one of India's best kept secrets. Built elegantly in Fort Tudor style, this 138 acres verdant campus is a cradle of excellence that has transformed ordinary boys into leaders of men. Steeped in the history of Curzon's Rajwada camp that was its precursor, the RIMC traces its roots to the Prince of Wales Royal Indian Military College, founded on 13th March 1922 by King Edward VIII. Founded with the objective of imparting basic military training to boys of Indian domicile who aspired to be officers in the Indian Armed Forces, the RIMC proudly stands on the precipice of a century of its existence, embodying an unparalleled saga of upholding the highest standards of military values of courage, valor, and integrity. In the pre-independence years, cadets would, on completing the course of 5 years, join the pre-commissioned training establishment in the United Kingdom. With the establishment of the Indian Military Academy in 1932, the cadets were no longer required to travel to the United Kingdom. The RIMC eventually became a feeder institution to the National Defence Academy and the Naval Academy. Today, the college ranks among one of the finest residential schools in the country, as the creme de la creme are selected through a competitive All India entrance examination conducted twice a year. Our commitment towards forging a holistic development of personality remains resolute. Discipline is an important facet, and the drill square brings this quality to the fore. It's vital for the RIMC that there's a strong pastoral system. At the head of the echelon is the Commandant, who is typically an alumnus of the college and a serving officer of the rank of Colonel. He is assisted by a few other officers from the Army, Navy, and the Air Force who helm the leadership development and administrative functions. In addition to this military complement, the cadets are under the tutelage of a well-qualified civilian academic faculty comprising, among others, masters, 4 section masters, and a vice principal. A spectrum of hobbies like art and craft, debating, photography, aero modeling, dramatics, and journalism induce not only leadership qualities but also develop soft skills and a fine aesthetic sense that contribute to the well-rounded development of every cadet. The Somnath Library boasts of an impressive collection that serves as a key input to a cadet's intellectual growth. We believe in preparing hard and playing hard as well. Sports and games are thus passionately pursued and are central to the raison d'etre of the college. Qualified sports coaches guide the cadets in honing their skills in meticulously planned training programs. Football, basketball, hockey, and cricket are the major team games played, while equestrian activities like squash, golf, shooting, boxing, and athletics are the dominant individual pursuits. State-of-the-art facilities such as an Olympic-sized swimming pool, an automated indoor shooting range, and a well-resourced equestrian lines have added to the sporting infrastructure. The RIMC is more than just a cookie-cutter residential school. With a dream student-teacher ratio of 12.5:1 and an intake of 1 cadet per state in each class, every classroom resembles a diverse mini-India. It is in this confluence of different cultures that a young boy of about 12 years of age, away from home for probably the first time, embarks on a life-changing journey. The strategically located War Memorial is a symbol of solemn remembrance where one pays homage to those brave hearts who made the ultimate sacrifice for the nation. The memorial events are marked by poignant parades as the college assembles to salute the fallen heroes. The galaxy of eminent Rimkolians is fronted by illustrious names such as Lieutenant General P.S. Bhagat, the first recipient of the Victoria Cross, and Major Somnath Sharma, recipient of the first Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry award of the country, and the 6th service chief since independence. The RIMC is, and shall always continue to be the nursery of leadership and cradle of excellence that it has come to be identified with.